How to turn off YouTube Shorts. So, first of all, launch YouTube application. Now once you come here, if you scroll down below, you'll see Shorts category. Then you'll see three dots icon. If you tap on it, you'll only see the option of Show Fewer Shorts. So this is the only way through which you would be able to disable Shorts. However, there's no such feature on YouTube that will allow you to turn off YouTube Shorts entirely. So all you could do is simply tap on Show Fewer Shorts, so the next time if you open YouTube application, you won't be able to see shorts as much. So let's tap on this option. So this is the only way through which you could do so. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.